videos on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Alright, YouTube Detail World. We back out here doing another property cleaning. Right now I'm about to take care of this driveway. If you see it, they definitely got a little algae build up on it. So we're gonna make sure we take care of that. You know. And then we just cleaning this side over there. Got a little patio right here. These stairs, make sure shoot under there. Get under there, it's a little dirty. Yeah, get these stairs. And this front porch right here. So, you know, we'll go ahead and get it cracking, get it started, and get the job done. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, please. Well, Detail World. If y'all can see, we finally got this little small driveway knocked out. We just had to knock out, we didn't have to do the whole driveway. We just did her side, the front stairs, under the stairs, and her front porch. So we got everything looking good. There was a lot of algae built up on these stairs. It was pretty dirty prior to. But we got looking immaculate. I know y'all probably like, would you stop putting these videos on the channel, but it's a part of my business. And if y'all don't like these videos on the channel, let me know, and I won't put them on there no more. But we got to finish head to the next stop. Got another property to clean. See the van sitting here waiting on me. Y'all already know, man. Do what y'all need to do, because I'm going to do what I got to do. And I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man. All right, YouTube Detail World. We made it to the second appointment of the day, which will be the first video, another video. We ain't going to put both those videos. Might put them together, I don't know. But right now, we about to go ahead and work on this patio. If you see it, we got to clean those stairs over there, make sure we get it nice and clean. But we got to remove all this furniture first. So before I can do any cleaning and anything like that, I got to remove all this furniture. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So y'all give me a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. And I'm going to catch up with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. This is the last area to clean. I'm not gonna record me cleaning it because I'm low on battery. It's really blinking, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. I'm gonna show you the end results afterwards. All right, detail world, man. Look, we finally got all this work done for the day. Like I said, we had two. We had to do that small driveway earlier. Then we had to do this back patio. Got the back patio looking good. My bad, y'all. I know she should be super enthused with the work. Y'all know how dirty it was. Really covered some dirt all back here. We got all the dirt up. You know, all the debris, things like that. But we're gonna let her know we're done so we can go ahead and get paid. Hoping y'all enjoyed this video. Remember, if y'all don't like these videos on the channel, let me know. I'll definitely remove them off the channel, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this equipment up. And y'all already know, man, be good, be great. Let's do it together. Let's continue this journey, man. And like always, dog, peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.